Good day. Here, the engine mountain is back to the engine. We put in the brackets. I'm just tightening now the bolts, the one on the engine mountain. So I just want you to have a look at the engine itself. It will be lifted up as soon as I tighten these nuts. So look carefully there. So I think the one that is that's got all the balance of the engine, it's this one here. So just take a close look at it. You see there the engine is lifted up. Check, the engine is lifted up. If you look nicely, it's lifted up. Whenever I turn the socket, it lifts the engine up. So it won't be leaning on the bottom cover of the vehicle. So yeah, I'm tightening the bolts now, or the nuts, because I've put in the nuts through the rods. It's 2 rods, so it looks very much solid now. Check as I tighten it. Now the engine is lifted up. So yeah, the idea did the trick good. Problem solved, as you can see there. So now we just need to start the vehicle and and see if we've done the trick, or these bolts have done the trick. We won't be getting any noise from the engine now. So I'm just making sure that all the bolts are tight enough. So I don't have a torque, so I'm just tightening using my hand. So there. Okay, I think now we're ready to start the engine, and then we can hear the idling part of it, if it's making noise. So it's now sorted. But I'm happy the project is very much successful. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just starting the vehicle now. Oh, it sounds so faint, I don't think you can hear the engine idling, but it's idling right now. Yeah, and it's very quiet. Yo, thank you, bye.